As bikers, we're facing the road and its dangers daily. Our concern, safety. Our greatest challenge, sharing the road with other users. We want style to serve safety. That's why Railer introduces the first luminous jacket for bikers. More than 2/3 of the accidents are caused by a lack of visibility. However, the available equipments today settle for protecting us when falling. At Railers, we decided to go beyond. In order to offer the most optimal security to bikers, we placed lights at strategic and high visibility spots on the jacket, relying on a survey about the diminution of motorbike accidents conducted by the French insurance company, the MAIF. When we speak of safety, our first thoughts go to the high-vis jackets. We want to change that by joining style and safety. Our team is composed of designers, stylists, couturiers, and model makers with their French traditional know-how. Our first prototypes were handmade in a Parisian workshop. Thanks to our team of creative engineers, we were able to associate handmade know-how and new technologies. Sober and elegant, we've conceived a high-quality jacket. The discrete integration of the LEDs is a perfect fit for a daily use. Placed in a strategic manner, the 12 LEDs ensure that you are seen both day and night. 2 additional functions allow you to improve your communication with other users. An on-board accelerometer intensifies the rear lights while braking. A warning mode can be activated for an even better visibility in the most risky situations. The removable battery can last up to 8 hours, enough for you not to worry about it. You can even recharge your phone while driving. Each jacket holds protection shells made out of viscoelastic materials. It offers the best compromise between comfort and safety. The luminous jacket is available in all sizes for both male and female bikers. Your support is key in order to help us launch this new product. Thanks to your help, we can test the market and adapt our production accordingly. This is why we offer big discounts to you, early adopters. After the Kickstarter, the jacket will be available in stores at around €700. That's $800. For our community of early adopters, the pre-ordered jackets on Kickstarter will be sold at a fraction of the price.
Don't miss your opportunity to have one of our first life-saving motorcycle jackets.
And join the community of the enlightened riders.